Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a new bank account on Xero. To add new bank account, we need to go to Accounting and to Advanced section. From here, we need to go to Chart of Accounts, and at the top there is Add Bank Account. From here I need to search bank. For example, I will select Santander. And if you want to enable automatic bank feeds, agree and log into bank. If you want to record manual transactions or manually, click on skip and don't connect to my bank. Here I can add account name. So for example, I will have current account. Account type, I need to select, and I will say that this is everyday, day-to-day banking. And I need to provide sort code, and I need to provide bank code, account number. I can select different currency if I would have different currencies added, and click continue. Now, next to all my three above accounts, there is Santander's bank account added. So this is a way how you can add a new bank account on Xero accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.